If you've ever needed to find a specific word or phrase buried inside a mountain of PDF documents, you know how frustrating and time-consuming it can feel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Acrobat's advanced search features to search through multiple PDFs at once. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to locate exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a line in a contract, notes in a report, or references in research papers, with speed and precision. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Advanced Search panel in Adobe Acrobat. This powerful option is available in both Adobe Reader and Acrobat Pro, but not when you're viewing PDFs in a web browser. So make sure you're working inside the actual Acrobat app. To quickly access Advanced Search, press Shift plus Control plus F if you're on Windows, or Shift plus CMD plus F on a Mac. If shortcuts aren't your thing, you can also open the regular Find toolbar, usually with Control plus F or CMD plus F, and then look for the ellipsis icon. Sometimes it appears as 3 dots or a little gear symbol. Click that and choose Open Full Acrobat Search or Advanced Search from the menu. The interface will look a bit different from the basic Find tool, and that's your signal you're in the right place. Now, let's tell Acrobat where to look. At this step, patience pays off. In the Search window, you'll see a drop-down menu under something like Where would you like to search? Or Look in. By default, Acrobat is set to search only the document you currently have open, but we want to cast a wider net. Change this setting from Current PDF Document to All PDF Documents in. You'll see a few options here, maybe your desktop, Documents folder, or other drives. If you've stored your PDFs in a specific folder or even on a network drive, click Browse for Location and navigate to exactly where you need Acrobat to search. This flexibility is great if you're working with project folders, archived files, or shared company drives. With your search area set, it's time to enter the search term. In the field that asks, what word or phrase would you like to search for, type out exactly what you're hunting for. If you want to find only exact matches, like the word invoice standing alone and not inside longer words like invoices, check the whole words only box. Case sensitivity can also be toggled, which is handy if, for example, you only want to distinguish between Apple the company or Apple the fruit. If your information might be hidden in bookmarks, comments, or even attachments inside the PDFs, you can select those options to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. There's also a Show More Options button for things like searching document properties, using Boolean operators, or proximity searches. So, if you need to get really specific, don't hesitate to explore these advanced filters. Once you're happy with your criteria, it's time to run the search. Click the Search button, and Acrobat will begin combing through all your selected PDFs. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're searching a large folder or a network location. Don't worry, Acrobat organizes the results in a nice list right inside the search panel. You'll see the file names, how many times your term was found in each document, and even small snippets. When you click a result, Acrobat will open the PDF for you and jump straight to the first instance of your search term, already highlighted so you can spot it easily. This feature is like having a spotlight for your most important info, saving you tons of manual scrolling. And here's a great bonus. If you want to save your search results for later, maybe as a reference or to share with colleagues, you can export the list as a PDF or CSV file with just a few clicks. That's all there is to it. You now know how to search through multiple PDFs at once using Adobe Acrobat's advanced tools. If this walkthrough helped you save time or solved a tricky problem, don't forget to hit like, drop any questions or tips in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials that make your digital life easier. Thanks for watching.